Are you ready to learn the alphabet with us? This is going to be super fun. Let's start right now and learn all the letters together.
A. This is the letter A. A is for apple. Look at the apple. It's red and yummy. Can you say A? B. This is the letter B. B is for ball. The ball is bouncing up and down. Can you say B? Amazing! C. This is the letter C. C is for cat. The cat is so cute and soft. Can you say C? D. This is the letter D. D is for dog. The dog is jumping and playing. Can you say D? E. This is the letter E. E is for egg. The egg is cracking open. Can you say E? F. This is the letter F. F is for fish. The fish is swimming in the water. Can you say F? Fantastic! G. This is the letter G. G is for goat. The goat is moving its head. Can you say G? H. This is the letter H. H is for house. The house is warm and cozy. Can you say H? Nice job! I. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. The ice cream is sweet and cold. Can you say I? Yay! J. This is the letter J. J is for juice. The juice is fresh and tasty. Can you say J? K. This is the letter K. K is for kite. The kite is flying high in the sky. Can you say K? L. This is the letter L. L is for lion. The lion is strong and brave. Can you say L? M. This is the letter M. M is for monkey. The monkey is swinging happily. Can you say M? M. Amazing. N. This is the letter N. N is for nest. The birds live in the nest. Can you say N? Great. O. This is the letter O. O is for orange. The orange is juicy and round. Can you say O? O. Perfect. P. This is the letter P. P is for parrot. The parrot can fly and talk. Can you say P? Q. This is the letter Q. Q is for queen. The queen wears a crown. Can you say Q? Q. Wonderful. R. This is the letter R. R is for rabbit. The rabbit hops quickly. Can you say R? Brilliant. S. This is the letter S. S is for sun. The sun shines bright. Can you say S? S. Fantastic. T. This is the letter T. T is for tree. The tree is tall and green. Can you say T? U. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. The umbrella keeps you dry. Can you say U? U. Nice. V. This is the letter V. V is for van. The van is driving on the road. Can you say V? W. This is the letter W. W is for water. The water is moving and flowing. Can you say W? X. This is the letter X. X is for xylophone. The xylophone makes music sounds. Can you say X? X. Excellent. Y. This is the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. The yo-yo goes up and down. Can you say Y? Z. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Can you say Z? Wow, you did it! You learned all the letters from A to Z. That was so fun! Let's learn again next time. Bye-bye!